rides right here. Check this out. This is Rich. He's going to tell us a little bit about this custom bike.
This bike is all local. We got this one in the Chapelota.
You're from Castroville, right?
Everything is local. The engine is in Colorado. Open engine. The bike is assembled and done in Lodi.
And how much is it worth?
This is a production bike. Sorry. It'll be in the 30s.
$30,000. But this bad boy right here? Guess how much it costs?
How much do we sell it for? But it's about
$75,000. That's right. Check it out. You just lifted up the bike. Now, come around here. I want them to take a look at this paint job. Now, who is this here on the bike?
This is amazing.
Check it out. Now, this bike is so sweet. Now, what is this?
Well, this bike is going to Hawaii. This is the tattoo of the tattoo of his chest. Dragging it. So
this bike is going to Hawaii. $75,000. Another great thing about being out here is that whether it's sport bike, custom bike, or even this right here, it's really just a nice.
Woo! See, I told you you could get a bike like that. Dang!
give us a chance to hang up. I've been robbed.
That's what I used to do.
It's so expensive you can't even afford it. If you got that one,
Come on, Chris, we need that far push it up. Oh man, let's hit each other. Oh, we can pump it, dog.
they're double parking.
They're gonna double park, I think.
Where?
Right here. Race! Rose knows them. Wow, that was huge. Tight. Dang, that's a lot of them.
No, that's pretty bad when people always recognize you, fucker.
lap number 2. We'll see how his progress goes. Meanwhile, his brother